Welcome back to Fast Takes. If you have a square body and it's not doing too well in the corners, then it's time to ditch those old upper control arms and pick up a set of CPP tubular front upper control arms for your square body. Now these control arms are going to be specifically for your square body, and the greatest thing about these control arms is the fact that you ditch the old ones, which happen to flex a lot if you're driving hard through a corner, and then these ones will actually eliminate that flexing completely, and that's all because of their tubular design and exactly how they're made. These tubular control arms are made out of a billet 4041 alloy steel, and the cross shafts and sleeves are going to be zinc plated as well. Now these tubular control arms have a very thick wall tubing construction, and the best part about these control arms is they're going to include your ball joints and your bump stops, so basically you pull these out of the box and install them right onto your square body. Besides that, these control arms are welded for maximum strength and visual appeal, and speaking of the look of them, they also are going to be coming in this powder coated black finish, which gives it a really nice overall look to them.